Strut Type ST from Japan. It looks good. And I bought it home. I had short springs, so my OEM strut is taller than normal. End up the strut bar is unable to be installed. Also, if you have coilovers, you need to remove the dumper adjuster to install the strut bar. Stupid. Then I bought the Type AS, but it turns out it's in this shape. And it also doesn't fit. It blocks the way by the valve cover.
Oh God, please, no! No!
Then I look at the Ultra Racing strut bar. And I found some comment. Yeah, what the fuck? Also, the strut's bar is not in parallel shape.
Nani?
Most important is the price. Then I see this. Made in Poland. It looks good. It has all different colors to choose.
Nani?
So I bought it home. Remove 3 bolts on the right. Remove 3 washers. Don't lose them. Also remove 3 bolts and washers on the left. And don't lose them. Jack up the left wheel off the ground. Push the wheel down. Remove the hose clip. Pinch the bracket down. Install the left side strut bar. Don't worry about the right side. Drop the left wheel to the ground. Jack up the right wheel off the ground. Push down the right wheel and install the right side strut bar. Install the 3 washers and bolts. Hand tight them. Install 3 bolts and washer on the left. Install the clip and hose. Hand tight the bolts. Drop the right side on the ground. Torque all 6 bolts to 39 Newton meters. Drive the car around and torque the bolts again. You don't need wheel alignment if you do it right. Done. Prelude.